This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jobea Trefny. Too busy for yard maintenance? This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo is spacious and all exterior HOA maintained, including lawn care and snow removal. Super quiet street, no outlet, great location. Living room has vaulted ceiling and wood burning fireplace. Kitchen includes all appliances, west/D and movable island west/storage, row drinking water system. Master bedroom west/private bath. Newer windows, HVAC heat pump. Attached 2-car garage. Wood deck off family room. For more information, review the details below or contact Jobea Trefny at 317-691-1367.